Good morning, everyone. Today, Wobble is going for a walk in the forest.
Pa-pa-dum, pa-pa-pa, pa-doo-da-dum.
He does this sometimes.
Dum, pa, pa-pa. Mr. Story.
Yes?
Do you hear that?
The snoring.
Yes.
Yes, I hear it.
Is it a bear?
It could be anything.
I am so scared. Is it a bee?
Bees do not snore.
Maybe this one does. Mr. Story, that is a snoring hat.
Yes, he is.
A snoring hat. Wow. I'm going to wake him up.
Do you really want to wake him?
I've never met a snoring hat before.
Then be very gentle. You don't want to frighten him.
Mr. Story, how do you wake a hat?
Softly, so he doesn't startle.
And if he startles?
Then you run.